Namaskaram foodies. I am Prem and welcome to my channel Simply Cooked. This platform believes in one simple motto: anyone can cook. Before we dive into today's recipe, I want to dedicate this video to all the incredible mothers out there who lovingly prepare the best meals for their families and friends while inspiring us to succeed in life. In my first video, I would like to share with you the very first recipe I learned at the age of 7 from my mother. It is an authentic Kerala style rasam and it remains close to my heart to this day. So let's jump right in for the ingredients and learn how to create this comforting, flavorful dish together. Ready? Let's get cooking. First up, we need coconut oil, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, chili powder, coriander powder or coriander seeds, peppercorn, whole dried chili, salt to taste, and a bit of asafoetida or hing. Now that we covered the spices, let's move on to the fresh ingredients. We need 2 tomatoes, coriander leaves, a gooseberry sized tamarind which we need to soak in water for 10 minutes, curry leaves, a piece of ginger, 5 shallots and 4 cloves of garlic. Let's start chopping. First, I am chopping the tomatoes into small bite-sized pieces. These will melt beautifully into our rasam. Next, I have thinly sliced the shallots. Coming to the garlic and ginger, I have finely chopped both. Make sure to finely chop these, or alternatively you can also crush the ginger and garlic for all the flavors to infuse into rasam perfectly. Trust me, these steps makes a big difference. Finally, I have taken the fresh coriander leaves and chopped them finely. This will add a burst of freshness and aroma to finish off our dish. Now that our fresh ingredients are ready, let's move on to preparing the spice mix. First, I have added 3.5 teaspoons of coriander seeds into my mortar pestle to pound them coarsely. Remember, we are not looking for a fine powder here. The coarse texture will give the rasam its rich, earthy flavor as it simmers. Next, add 2.5 teaspoons peppercorns and pound them coarsely as well to release their bold, spicy aroma. Once that's done, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera and half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds into the mix and pound them together while making sure to keep the texture coarse. This will ensure the spices infuse into the rasam perfectly without overpowering it. And here's a quick reminder, I have already soaked the tamarind in water. We will be using the tamarind extract soon to add a tangy kick to our rasam. With our spices ready and tamarind soaked, we are all set for next step. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to the pan. Allow the oil to heat up. Once the oil is ready, toss in 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Wait for them to crackle. Now add the whole dried red chilli and let them sizzle for a moment. Once they slightly change the color, add the finely chopped ginger, garlic and shallots to the pan. Let them cook for few minutes. Stir occasionally. Once that's done, it's time to add the spice mix we prepared earlier. First, add the coarsely pounded pepper, cumin and fenugreek mixture. Toss in fresh curry leaves for that beautiful aroma. Now add in coriander powder, chili powder, turmeric powder. Mix everything well. Make sure the raw smell of the spices disappear and the flavor blend together. Now we are ready to add the tomatoes. Let them cook down with the spices. Release their juices and make the base rich and tangy. I'm only adding 1.5 tomatoes now. Rest I shall add later. Start by adding salt to taste. This will balance all the flavors beautifully. Next, pour in the tamarind water that we soaked earlier, followed by 2 cups of water. Leftover tomatoes add 3 to 4 sprinkles of asafoetida. Add few fresh curry leaves and finely chopped coriander leaves. This will add a burst of aroma and freshness to the dish. Give it a good stir, then close the lid and let it boil for 5 minutes. This allows all the flavor to melt together and create that comforting, authentic rasam we are aiming for. And there you go foodies, our delicious authentic Kerala style rasam is ready to be served. Just the perfect combination of tangy, spicy and comforting flavor. I hope you enjoyed cooking along with me today. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, happy cooking.